What is up, you guys, and welcome back to a brand new video of Stock Talk where we talk stocks and crypto. And in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at quant, and we're going to be trying to break down exactly what's going on with it, because this one seems like it's one of the few in the market that are finally pretty much decoupling from Bitcoin. There's a lot of good talks about quant. There's a lot of good news going on around it. And as of right now, I'm going to be doing some technical analysis on it. And first things first is that I should have done it in the video, but I literally just placed this descending trend line right here, or this downward trend line, and it looks like it finally, if we zoom in right here, it looks like it broke out beautifully. Like it tapped it, came down, consolidated, touched down, and flipped it. I need to zoom in a little bit more. After the breakout, it hit, this is the first candle, it went up here, opened here, tapped this, closed here. You know what I'm saying? So if you guys see that, that was a complete flip right there. That was very beautiful. And after that confirmation of the flip, we just rallied all the way up from 56 all the way to about 96. So one thing I know about the markets and the amount of time that I've been there, after a complete double from like 56, all right, so y'all know how we hit like 56 or something like that. Now we're at 96. The double of 50 is 100. So there's gonna be a strong what's that shit called when like psychological barrier right there is at the double. So right around $100, we're gonna see a little bit of consolidation or maybe a little bit of retracement. But that's all natural, you know what I'm saying? There's a lot of people that are just trying to double their money and get out. So that's potentially what we may see happen, and we're very close to it. And not only that, we have a rejection right here, which was used to be support based off this W right here. Y'all can see this little W right here. There was a couple of bit of supports right there, and then this major support right here. And that's one thing I have right there. We finally broke out of this one, which was 85. And I don't know if you guys seen, but the first time we finally hit, like, from, there was a day that we went from like, I don't know, it was like, yeah, 60 something dollars all the way to like 80, 89 or something like that. That was essentially tapping this one right here. This was like a rejection at first. We essentially tapped that and then came down, and it played as a barrier. But then now it's over it, and we're sitting at 94. So yeah, we're finally back above that, and now we're trading in this range right here, which is between 101 to about 86. So that's what you're gonna see, the range for right around there. So hopefully we see something form out like that's going to be bullish. But as of right now, I'm just gonna keep sitting here and waiting. I did buy a quant around like $84. I didn't buy too much, you know. I'm not a whale, you know what I'm saying. But I mean, at least I bought some, you know what I'm saying. So the point is to at least, you know, be having some of these utility, blue chip, whatever you want to call them, these cryptos, you know, these digital assets. But I wanted to do a fib extension from the top of the time it hit 400 to where it's at right around now, where to the bottom of where it hit, which was like about $39, $40. And if we zoom in, we can see that the first zone of the 0.23, which is right here, this red line right here of the first fib zone, it plays out perfectly with this W right here. You can see the rejection right here, and then when it finally broke out, came down, tried to confirm the flip, it failed. But you can see that the support right here and these rejections right here that got really close to it. So that's definitely something to keep an eye out on, and that's 131, around 131, 132. So if we break out of this $100 mark, I definitely see us going all the way to 132 at least, like real quick, and we'll consolidate right there or have a big battle right there with the bulls versus bears right there. Another thing I wanted to point out was this 200 EMA line. It looks like we're getting a little bit close to it. So usually when that happens, we start to see a little bit of bearishness and we start to turn back around. So it looks like we may break out of this 101 and then hit that 200 EMA, come down, flip this to support. Right now it's rejection, so let me make that red. We may hit this 200 EMA. Let me draw it out. We may hit this 200 EMA, and then come down for the retracement, flip this to support, flip it to support, and then we may finally break out and then tap this rejection of 142, come down, and then hopefully flip this barrier to, you know what I'm saying, to support this first fib level of 0.23, the 0.236, and then we would potentially start working our way up to this next one, the 0.38. So yeah, hopefully guys, hopefully I made a little bit of sense. I know it's been a while for me making these a little bit more complicated videos on technical analysis. Usually it's a lot easier for me to say it in my head, you know what I'm saying, when I'm talking to myself, but taking those words out of my mind and trying to put them into the mic and speak it out to y'all, there's definitely gonna be a little bit of stuttering. I'm a little bit nervous, you know, trying to do these videos again. It's a lot easier when it's a little bit more simplistic chart analysis, but definitely that's what I got for quant. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think I'm doing wrong. Give me some constructive criticism down in the comments below, and let me know if you guys think that quant has finally decoupled from Bitcoin, or do you guys think that it's still following Bitcoin? Because I know Bitcoin did still go up just a little bit, like it went up a couple, like, you know, you see right here, it went up about $250, and quant went up as well. But I definitely see a bigger rise in quant. As you guys can see, it's up around 11% for the day. So pretty much, yeah, man, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. This is your boy Leo. Hope you guys have a good one. Peace.